is Hashim. I'm from the 11th hour, group 11th hour. This is the presentation of the application of our final semester project. The title of this project is Detecting Cancer Cell Using Machine Vision. So first, there are 4 parts to this presentation. We're going to give you a background of what cancer really looks like in modern days. We're going to talk about cameras, we're going to talk about machine vision, and we're going to talk about how we make a decision using machine learning. So first, let's talk about the background of this project. Cancer is, like the way in which cancer is diagnosed today is very expensive because you have to go to the labs, you have to use very expensive machines in the hospitals that are inaccessible for a lot of people who actually have cancer. And given that 70% of people are born with cancer cells in their blood, it means a lot of people have cancer, and if it's not detected from a very early stage, a lot of people would essentially like die from cancer. So what we want to do with this project is essentially make it less expensive to diagnose cancer and to detect cancer. One of the reasons it's also expensive is because of its detection. So like detecting cancer is very expensive and it's very complicated. The third part of this is also the fact that whenever you test for cancer or you diagnose cancer, it often results in you destroying the blood or the cells that you're actually using to test this cancer, because you add a lot of chemicals that are also very expensive. So the solution we're providing today is a solution of using modern cameras. What do these cameras look like? These cameras are equipped with programmable sensors. So these programmable sensors essentially allows this camera to take in instructions from computer through programming language like programming softwares like MATLAB, or programming languages like Python or C++. Also, they are equipped with circuits, and these circuits are like logic circuits that allows computer to also work. It means all of the circuits can be manipulated, and you can add instructions to them to enable these cameras to work in certain ways in which we want. So how do we use these cameras for machine vision? Understand that these cameras would have a magnifying lens in them that will be able to see this cancer cell, because cancer cell cannot be seen with your visible eye. So you need a magnifying lens to actually see this cancer cell. So essentially what we do is we use these cameras to gather data by actually inputting these pictures into them, and we're going to use machine learning to analyze the data. How does machine learning do the work? It uses a lot of different methods like artificial neural network, deep neural network, or convoluted neural network. But the most commonly used is a deep neural network. How does it work? It uses the patterns that are recognizable in this cancer cell. For example, there are different kind of cells in the body. You have the red blood cell, the white blood cell, and other kind of cells that exist in the body. So it's very easy for a camera without machine learning or machine vision to actually conflict this cell together and just see them as one. But we need machine learning to essentially identify different patterns that exist within different cells by looking at the morphology, the size or the bigness or the shape of the cell, and identifying whether this cell is a cancer cell or not. So this method then goes into what we call classification. Like we classify this cell based on the pattern that it has recognized and based on the morphology of the cell. Then you can use traditional sorting algorithm to essentially sort this cell into whether it's a cancer cell or it's not a cancer cell. And you can also use it to identify different kind of other cells like sickle cell anemia. You can use it to identify viruses within the body that would otherwise have taken expensive medical procedure. Then at the end, it's going to be able to differentiate whether a candidate or a patient have cancer or not, and tell us if this cancer is at what stage this cancer is. And being able to detect this cancer at a very early stage essentially means that a lot of people can be saved using this simple piece of technology, which is very, very inexpensive. Thank you very much. So one part of the resources we use to actually reach this conclusion is the research papers we actually saw on the internet and on. So one of the research papers we see on the internet is actually how cancer cell can be used to how machine vision deep learning can be used to diagnose cancer. So the description of this is essentially how different kind of images can be used as the input to this machine learning algorithm or this machine learning system, and it goes through different set of machine learning algorithm to actually check the pattern, and it's able to differentiate the pattern like we explained on the board as a pattern that we're looking for, or a pattern that's already recognizable by the machine vision, and that's why it's able to say this is the pattern we're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Hashim. I'm from the 11th hour. My other members of the group that make this presentation easy for me was Anas, Rahat,